are. We are based in the north of England, so about 2.5 hours away from London. We do all of our manufacturing in our 18,000 square foot factory in Leeds, and we make all of our flavours there and employ 50 people.
So can you tell me, you've got an ice cream product here right next to you. Can you tell us how this works in the hospitality industry?
Yeah, what we've seen from a lot of customers is that they will use our 5-litre scooping products back of house for dessert menus. We've seen a new trend this year of customers looking to use our 100ml tubs for both room service menus and to use in pantries where customers can help themselves to sweet treats.
Well, so this sounds like a great upsell for maybe the luxury market. So you have like a pantry, which for the international audience is like a larder or a cupboard, yes, or a wardrobe, a closet where you can go and help yourself.
Yes, absolutely. I think it's nice to offer something different aside from the bar offering, especially if you want to offer a late night snack or you're conscious of the low or no alcohol market.
Yeah, I mean, how do you think this helps hotels appeal to audiences outside? Northern Europe, we love a bar. But but other parts of the world, maybe they don't want to have to hang out in the bar. How do you think this helps their offerings, say the Middle East market? Or
I think we've seen people drinking less even in the countries where alcohol is prevalent. So offering an alternative where you can still get that incremental spend, and I think offering brands and products within the hotel where you are showing a point of difference can really help to elevate your brand and your offering by associating yourself with great brands such as Northern Block.
And tell us a bit about your heritage, right? Because you're based in Leeds.
We are based in the north of England, so about 2.5 hours away from London. We do all of our manufacturing in our 18,000 square foot factory in Leeds, and we make all of our flavours there and employ 50 people. We look to locally source our ingredients where possible. So for example, our milk and cream is all from Yorkshire, which is the region that we are in. And lots of our inclusions and ingredients are also from local UK suppliers. So doing our best to support UK farming and UK manufacturing.
Yeah, and what can you tell us about Yorkshire as a destination? Because traditionally, it's a big farming community, strong on dairy, strong on quality. How does that help your products down the line?
The north is a very innovative place, and there's lots of northern businesses who are doing amazing things, specifically in the food space. And it's a place that's a little bit different from London, both in personality of people and approaches of things. Northerners are generally known as being very friendly, very welcoming, and that's the approach that we try to take when we do business with people.
So in terms of how you're finding the show today at the HR, how are you finding the show in the market that you're looking to engage?
It's been a great day to speak to people from all different sectors. We are in the hotels, restaurants and catering part of the show, and we've spoken to a huge range of businesses from grocers in the UK to hotel groups to people in the travel industry, and it's been a fantastic way to showcase our extensive range of flavours.
Yeah, and it's also good to see a brand from outside of London coming to show us what's on offer in other parts of the UK.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.